LanguageCert gives you a lot of options, not only in terms of different exams that you may take, but also in terms of ways you can enroll for your tests. If you're planning to take your exam online, you may want to use a promo code, so a special code that will allow you to get some discount on your exam fee. It works in a very simple way. You just need to get this promo code. So, for example, from us, from our exam center. And while registering for your exam, you need to insert the code. It will automatically discount your exam fee. Let's have a look at how it really works. To use the promo code and your discount, you need to go to the website of LanguageCert. Choose the language of your exam. Let's choose English. Let us say we'd like to take an IESOL test. Let us say you'd like to take B2 Communicator. And you want to take written and spoken tests and get 2 certificates. You click on Book, and now you can see the summary. The price that you have to pay is 188 euros, but you've got a promo code. So you put it in here, click Apply. Your new total is 169.20 to pay. Then you proceed to checkout, pay for your exam, and schedule it. If you don't feel comfortable with enrolling for your exam on your own, you may also contact an exam center and ask for an exam voucher. It's up to you how you're going to do it.